Now, we've talked much about what you want to do for the people in Nyateko ward. Tupige siasa kidogo. Mwagenda aba MCA bande bagenda Nairobi aliko president. And some even spoke to the press bagatabanga they've got the right to make the decision that they made during that time kugenda correct president. Lakini pia section of you guys mwatabatenga because tuariere ile ground iga twarenga yenteke antumbage tageti one alafu secondly it's not writing talk wenga kweberia binti bichi. It should be a democratic writing muntu kabe kiri kurari atakeriko nishuenga abananchi bonsi nko babaribia. So my question is emwo wete kogenda romu atagete kogenda ama generally from where you sit you think you made the right decision utagenda status.
Asante seri swali hilo. Ndio ntebeka ase siasa ama politics is local. Igrege ndonde to understanding and the politics okwenda na realities of the current in politics to go deal na ngaki ebintu wenda koba go deal na nebintu bire. So as things are in Kenya, as a Kenyan politics is regional or communal. So the way politics ya Kenya is organized, we take the Gusii community, we have the Luo community, we have the coast region, we have the central Mount Kenya region. So that is how politics is. And you look at, especially at the national cake, the way Koruewa. As I told you, about the county development budget, the same thing the national cake is about negotiation. Konyore cake iria national ngwanyora paragete ko chaira amusi konyoro renya gitari gete gocha is about the power mubwate bune region, is about the power mubwate buna abantu bali bako negotiate. And ekero kwali when I that fact, you realize that regions chibwate abantu very strong as negotiators. They get quite a good share of the development. You go to commercial government. Na chiritabwa tiko so chire spread out thinly. They normally lose out. So and that is the challenge to Gusii politics, because you look at politics. I'm not so old, but then do changa ni politics. Okay, 202. That is the time to about Nyachai. That period 202 to 207, Kisii we really benefited a lot. In terms of we had a voice in the national politics. Senja Nyachai ngo korunya cha ruoro egapia bere Gusii ngotogi gutore, you know, you koigole ba ngotogi nga etore democratic nga ntoto wakero monto yo twakero twatogi gugola kini bono tukumia because bono asibali bako bageke baje bamanyanga bantaba
na batoko babagesta
so kwanya kono hekere bintu bikubago mbiri go chabuya. So ekero oroje politics ya chaya Nyachai ya Matiang'i bono si koruliri bono to bate Nyachai bakabono. For most of us as politicians, we are very happy. Finally, we will get a unifying factor. Umonto go to make a tovenga ntoramo bunaba Gusii so that ekero to go isanza tebelie evento bikobago kwanya nanto bate sauti. So first of all, I really support that thing, the Gusii unit abantu kobamo. Tadi ogitari okoba tribal in any given way, but it's commented the negotiation skills so that even tobiro tutakero kore Gusii na chipara na chistima to chikonyora. So when ekero twa nyoranga Matiang'i chakero come up, we were very happy. And when I get kwambo Olivia State House, ekerege gocha because we've gone to State House before. Mukaya tuachire State Lodge. Unaona kero ruta achirite Gusii gai ochire. Tuomomera actually gatatu. Ase Kisii State Lodge. Tuomomere Kakamega limo. Na Nairobi nchapasa tuachire State House before. So kwenda State House ntoba the problem. Because you know, no inchenda angelia manto nyatika office ya ne ward. Ondebe so kuluta hicho kungakira chukura bagocha. So we've gone there. Not that we love Ruto, but because he's the president of the country. But about this visit recently, it was not about that. And plus so many other things that have happened, it's not about development. It's about auto-divide. These people, by realizing Gusii finally, they could be having their own leader. So they're out there, to make sure they're neutralizing Gusii to sambaratike. So the visit to State House, it was about politics. Politics here work well for us as the Gusii people. So as a person, I want to believe it in the Gusii unit. And I said I want to go because it's like I'm supporting na gabu we asabantu baitu na bagusi bataite para una chipare jukwana will not get anything. So that is the reason to atete ngantoriko genda, because we want to show that in solidarity this time round we are speaking as one people, as someone to batoyomo. Not that thing afraid ya but into feel he has the potential to unite Gusii, to negotiate. But I want to say this. I say in Tebia the Matiangi politics and the one-term politics. It's important to Gusii kovamo na tola to negotiate. Because they have been saying that as much as we support Matiangi.
And no batara Koragasi, but the Gusuna Naiga.
Yeah. Monto Tariko Koragasi, especially when to elected. I say the MCA or MP or senator, but one of that is the koi visa atenga Matiangi. You know the kind of politics here are engaged about raida.
Yeah.
Okonyoranga bokere, no takora kende, usakonyorai basha igwire raida. I
direct ticket. Yeah.
So that is the same culture to go tema Okana in Gusii. We are trying to discourage our people. But and as much as we say to what the Matiangi in terms of Igalisa national politics, ntopasa wanja abatororo unabarai even balbaso because mondraro juko soto de senya tiko onyo na wate basha aenda aligenche nga uzikere Matiangi amatenga bono nje patili juko terena nje bono nga aenda tebenga nyatiko tosha. Siasa ine one to means because we've seen it in Luo Nyanza, for example. We've seen it in other parts of the country. So we got a very strong leader, national leader. Kwanyanga abantu bande bachire batumikire go twanyolire weak leaders at the grassroots. Abantu bahumia kwanyoranga eresenjo ngwikerere ose Matiangi ose raira kwanyoranga ero chire mutu. So you got the kind of politics to support ringa Matiangi to musuwe nto to mo that support itakere unaba Gusii. But again, and two individuals, party, and I really like what Matiangi is doing, by the way. Tara tema koendese party, because people are trying to pull him towards that, the kind of politics. You have one party, and if another person is not in that party, then you are not there. Matiangi is against that, and I really like it because that way you'll make these other people at the grassroots to work hard at a personal level. Without kushikilia koti ya huyu mkubwa apite. But at the end of the day, we have to stand together as one people. Tumanye kanina intuntoro. And monto tabasa utonga ina mokaya nga monto bati numbers. Monto oje no Ruto yole president. So wachi namba chaba kale njoka. Nchiko mo make a president.
That's true.
Raila hoyo to chayanga nto bati numbers. Tanya kwa president nichi nambitia bagere. So the point is no haba ikoya batota kama Mount Kenya. Boka batigeru they cannot produce a president. Issue ni any community so long as ebe getamo and then they negotiate na other communities, and person can be a president from any community.